Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Huntington Bank, accessible online at huntington.com. Huntington offers a wide array of financial products and services designed to meet the diverse needs of individuals and businesses. Navigating their website, you'll find information on checking and savings accounts, including options with competitive interest rates and various perks. They also provide a range of lending solutions, from mortgages and home equity loans to personal loans and auto financing. Small business owners will find resources dedicated to their unique financial requirements, encompassing business checking accounts, merchant services, and lending opportunities. Huntington emphasizes its commitment to customer service and community involvement, highlighting its branch network and digital banking tools. Exploring their website further reveals details on wealth management services, investment options, and financial planning resources. Whether you're looking for everyday banking solutions, planning for your financial future, or seeking assistance for your business, Huntington aims to provide comprehensive financial solutions. They also offer helpful tools and resources, like financial calculators and educational articles, to empower customers to make informed financial decisions. For added convenience, Huntington provides a robust mobile banking app, enabling users to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access customer support on the go. Remember, it's always recommended to conduct thorough research and compare offerings from different financial institutions to find the best fit for your specific needs. So, check out huntington.com and see if their services align with your financial goals.